In astrology, each zodiac sign is ruled by a planet, and this ruling planet can influence key aspects of your life. But what exactly does it mean when we say a planet rules a sign? The ruling planet holds a deep connection to the essence of that sign, and by understanding these rulerships, we gain insight into how different parts of your personality and your life path are shaped. For example, Aries is ruled by Mars, a planet of action, desire, and courage. People with strong Aries placements may feel drawn to take risks or assert themselves with intensity. Meanwhile, Taurus is ruled by Venus, the planet of beauty, love, and comfort. Taurus energy is often more steady and grounded, seeking harmony and security. But the influence of planetary rulerships isn't just limited to your sun sign. Your whole birth chart is affected by these connections, and knowing your chart's rulerships can offer a roadmap to understanding your core motivations and life direction. What about a person with a strong Cancer influence? Their ruling planet, the moon, governs emotions, intuition, and care. So, Cancer placements often highlight the need for emotional safety, nurturing, and connection to family. By analyzing rulerships in your chart, you can understand how each planet's energy interacts with your signs. Do you have a dominant planetary ruler? Perhaps your chart has a cluster of planets and signs ruled by a particular planet, which can give you a clue to your primary drive in life. Is it about action, like Mars, or more about love and creativity, like Venus? Why should you care? These planetary rulers are like cosmic guides that help us navigate life's journey. Their influence is subtle yet powerful, shaping everything from your emotional responses to the opportunities that come your way. By knowing how the planets rule your signs, you can better understand why you act the way you do, where your natural gifts lie, and even how you can align more harmoniously with your true path. So whether you're drawn to the fiery independence of Aries or the deep introspection of Scorpio, your planetary rulers are always there, offering clues to how you can shine the brightest on your journey.